Okay, we are ready now to do the next line up on our scroll work on the base with a number 4 tip. I need a pipe on top of my scrolls here. I'm going to start with the innermost. Let's touch, lift, and lay it right in the center there. Coming around. Touch and release, and then same thing here. Touch, lift up. You want to have your work directly in front of you. And then bring it down and release and pull away. If you have any issues with line not where it's supposed to be, I'm going to just paint those tails in. This looks pretty much where it's supposed to be. Okay, and then the scroll, we're going to give it a little bit of a curl. It should be getting a little bit of a curl here for the scroll, so it goes up and around. And we have to fix that because that's up in the air. I always have that problem. Right, like so. See how this gets up in the air? I don't know if you can tell, but we need to, that needs to lay flat. There we go. Just like that. Try and make the scrolls fairly even. Make sure that their lines are next to each other and not on top of each other. Okay. The tails just kind of fade in there. Okay. And actually this should have a little bit of a curl to it too. This part right here should have a little bit of a curl. I didn't quite get my curl, so I'm going to do it with the paintbrush. Or I can take the line off and redo it. And we'll get it on this one. You get a little bit of a curl. So you should have just a little bit of a curl. Whoops. Not like that. Touch it. There we go. Should have a little bit of a curl. Pull away. This goes right into that. Oops. Let's see, my paintbrush wasn't damp. Is it stuck? And that joins, should be even. And this gets a little bit of a curl. And you see my icing's just a little stiff. See how it kind of stays up? Whoops. And that's what the paintbrush, see, make it nice and level through here. Okay.